So there's a recall on the Pittsburgh Mechanics rolling seat from Harbor Freight, if you haven't heard. There were 96 reports of the seat weld breaking, and it says it's the connection from the seat to the seat post.
Which are these welds right here, and there's two on the other side.
So you can do one of two things. You can return it like everybody else, or you can fix it like a man. Let's go.
First thing you want to do is pop these 4 screws off. And then just go ahead and clamp it down to your work table.
And then you're gonna grind the paint off at 2 good spots where these 2 pieces of metal meet. And don't forget to grind down a spot to connect your ground clamp.
And then we'll fire up the old welder.
And let's stabilize this bad boy. Just get a couple good strong welds on either side like this. This seat's not going anywhere. Then just pop the seat top back on, and you're ready to roll. Well, there you have it, guys. That's the Harbor Freight rolling seat fix. You saw it here first on Jimmy's Garage. Thanks for watching.